G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 and just check out that view. What you're seeing here is South Wollongong and of course Albion Park, Minamurra and Kiama, all in the one shot. Now if you have a little bit of look higher and we rotate, we can see 7 Mile Beach, Jiroa and Gerringong, and possibly even down to Nowra from up at this viewpoint. So what am I doing here and what is this all about? Well, I wanted to do a little thing on hotspots and let's get straight into it. Let's find out how you get here.
Okay, today's hidden hotspot is Hoddles track. So first of all we're going to go off the A1 and we're going to head down Donovan Road till we find the turn off. Ground Road. Now we're going to follow this for quite a while and let's see how we go. Alright, so we've hit Hoddles Road, which is a right-hand turn. Now it looks like we're driving into private property. We're not. I've been assured by a friend of mine who's in the RFS that this is all public access, so all we have to do is keep going. Alright, we've come up to another gate right now. It has letterboxes on it, so it seems like it might be private property, but I assure you it is not. We just keep going straight from here. That sound you're hearing is me losing traction in two-wheel drive. Now, there's something to be said about the KM3s on this kind of terrain, but I'm going to save that for another video. Alright, as you can see here on the right hand side there, we're coming past a couple of properties. But the road is a public road and we just continue along here on the grass. We just got to keep to the left. As we can see over here, there is 7 Mile Beach in the distance and we're just about to come up into a little overground section, and this is where the challenging part is. Just as a precautionary measure, I decided to put it in 4 high, just because I have no idea what's coming up, and I've been told it's a little bit steep towards the end.
So as you can see, this area here is open to the public. It's a little hard to find and it looks like you're actually travelling somewhere you shouldn't.
Alright, we just keep going up here. It looks a bit overgrown, but this is where we're going to find our little bit of a lookout that could be used for a picnic area or whatever. Now that we're here, let me talk a little bit more about this concept of hotspots.
Alright, so what are hotspots? Well, they're little locations I seem to find or suggested to me by people that I think everyone should check out. Wonderful location. Now, I don't have much to say about it. I think it speaks for itself. If you like these sort of hidden spots and you'd like to see more of them, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our videos. This is a thank you to all those people who have jumped on board. I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.